One of these past Sundays, I made a bunch of red half circles, or one red half circle, I think. And I don't know, this red half circle is in my mind's eye and I can't seem to shake it. So here I go with a couple more red half circle pieces. Now, this is scribble practice, but on Sundays I like to put a little bit more of a challenge on things, I guess, because it's hard to stay mindful and create what you are feeling you want to create while also having the intention of creating something that you like. This is, for me, a hard practice right now. And so on Sundays, I give myself the time and space to try and do that. So already I'm not liking this, so I'm gonna go back in and kind of make it so that it's going off the page more. All the listening that I've been practicing throughout the week, I'm using here. I'm using those skills to lead me, to guide me, rather than putting things on the page that I think will look great. And I'm trying not to get frustrated with my skill set, because we have exactly, or I feel that I have exactly the skills I need to create what needs to be created in this moment, because the ideas wouldn't come to me unless I did. So even though it might not turn out exactly like what I have in my head, it doesn't matter, because what needs to be created will get created. I keep trying to even this edge out and it keeps getting in my mind messed up. So I think that I just am supposed to leave it. It needs to be a little bit less precious. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit. It's bugging me though. Try one more time. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the luminous red for this next one. I'm just trying to feel out where on the page I would like to put it. I like to put this piece of wood underneath because then I can paint on it rather than my table. Okay, so this isn't going to be a half circle at all. I'm just checking in on that because I thought that was the whole point. So, no, I'm going to do a circle. Oh, that color is so awesome. I love it. make another. I'm getting yellow in my mind right now. I'm gonna try mixing the lemon yellow with some mustard. That bright. My daughter says that sometimes I start talking weird on these videos, which is true. And here's the little insider scoop. Usually when I'm getting into sort of this flow state, my voice changes. So I've come out of it right now because I noticed it. Oh, it's super funny. I never would have figured that out if I wasn't making these videos, so it's very, very challenging for me to chat while also being in that sort of flow state. I don't like this color. I'm gonna try adding a little bit. I just said I didn't want the lemon yellow so bright, and now I'm adding luminous yellow. Let's see what happens. So, whoop, that's a lot more than I, I had planned for. Looks like ketchup and mustard, these two colors. I'm not super digging it, but I do feel like I'm going to use it. I like this color a bit better. So let's see where it goes. sort of following the color palette from the other day. But these are going in a very different direction. those pieces feel finished to me for today. If you'd like to keep creating, try this little fun scribbly thing right here. Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow for another scribble practice. Bye.